There is a lot of money to be made in crypto, but if I told you to invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum and start trading, I would be wrong. Not only trading is risky, you can never make a confirmed profit. But that's not the end of the world because in this video, I'm going to share a brand new strategy with you that can make you tons of money in no time. And you can actually cash out your earnings in your PayPal account. And the best thing about this strategy is that it can be done from anywhere in the world and you will get paid. So make sure you follow this step-by-step guide and learn the strategy to make money today. But before we start, welcome back to the channel, where I teach you new and effective ways of making money online. If you are new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you can be the first one to watch the latest videos from the channel. Coming back to the video, so the first thing you need is a wallet for this method to work. There are really a lot of those wallets out there like Atomic Wallet, Coinomi Wallet, or you can use Binance, Coinbase, and Blockchain.com. So here's a strategy, especially for the beginners. So you need to go to bitcoin.org, and these guys will ask you some questions. So click on Choose Your Wallet and click on Next. And now you have 4 simple questions right here. What's your operating system? How much do you know about Bitcoin? Which criteria are important to you? So here I want to choose fees because you don't want to waste money on those fees. And the last question here is going to be what features are you looking for? So 2-factor authentication, scroll down, click on Next, and then you'll be recommended this Electron wallet. And it's a really good wallet, which is perfect for beginners. And now when you're all set, it's time to make money. BitcoinTorah.online, and as you can see, you have this video right here to watch it. But if you want answers, and you will know the reason why Bitcoin miners script BitcoinTorah.online. First, it's super easy to use, and Bitcoins come to you super fast, and you can get 1 full Bitcoin. Now you can check the price of the date that you're watching in this video, and I don't want to intimidate you guys, but that means you can get thousands of dollars easily. And you get to have these instant daily payouts, and it takes 10 to 30 minutes. So when you come to BitcoinTorah.online, you'll need to click on Start Mining, and then you're going to be redirected here so you can choose here Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever you want, and enter your Bitcoin just like this, and then select the amount of Bitcoin you want to mine. And you can even select a full Bitcoin, which is not something easy to go by, but you don't have to worry about that over here. Just check your address before confirming, and you're good to go. Now your wallet is ready to take that Bitcoin, and from now on, it's just profits. You can see right here when you do that, you'll start this mining process. And guys, it's going to do all its own every few seconds. You'll have this notification here saying that you've won 0.03 Bitcoin. And soon, your wallet will be filled with hundreds of dollars without really doing anything. Now I want you to go to freecash.com, which is a great platform to earn some extra cash. Now, they have this information here saying that the average money earned by users is $19 per day. Now, if you work just like that, the normal person, just that average person, and you do that for 30 days in a month, you'll have $600. Now, there are a lot of things you can do on this platform, and you can take out your earnings via PayPal, crypto, or you can get Netflix subscriptions, but I would say you should go with Bitcoin as your payout. This site has a lot of potential, and if you work religiously, you can make $400 in a single day. They also have this daily bonus ladder, which gives you some free money, as well as there are 7-day streak rewards, and of course, there is a referral program, but just take a look at this. If you download their app from Google Play, you get some money for that as well, and if you take a look at the ratings on Google Play, you can see it's 4.7 out of 5. I mean, there's something really going on with this website. People are truly making money on this website, and that's the reason why they have such a good rating. On this website, with a lot of cash-out options and really easy tasks, you can make at least $600 in a month. Now, it's up to you how much you work and claim your share. So that's it for today's video. If you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Watch the next video on the channel to find out another great method to make good money and enjoy financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.